Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile picture with AI. Now, why use AI for LinkedIn profile pics? So, no need for expensive photographers, instantly create studio quality headshots, and perfect lighting, posture, and backgrounds. All you have to do is to choose your AI headshot tool or AI tool. Here you can use Google AI Studio or Google Studio AI and also ChatGPT. Try it on AI, Footer AI, Media.io. But this time I will use at least two tools and I'm going to show you how to use this one. So these are the samples of professional LinkedIn pictures that we can use or serve as inspiration to create one. Okay, now I'm going to introduce to you this Google Studio or Google AI Studio. And all you have to do here is to just paste the prompt. You can add the picture first, your picture first, and then also add the prompt. So let's just say this is my picture. I'm going to add my picture right here. So I have to upload a picture from my computer. Okay, upload file. And then I'm going to paste the prompt above. You can use this prompt if you want, but if you have your own prompt, and then it's okay. You can also use your own prompt. And then after that, all you have to do is to press this run right here and let this AI Studio do its work. So you have to wait. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is the result for Google AI Studio. If you are not satisfied, then here's another tool. This is what we call ChatGPT, and all you have to do is just upload your profile, your picture again, paste the same prompt, press enter or this arrow facing up, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the result right away. So this is the result. And if you're satisfied with this one, then you can just download this, save this, and then insert this to your Word. And also you can add this directly to your profile or LinkedIn profile. So you can use other AI tools if you want, but basically this is just how easy it is to create LinkedIn profile using AI tools these days. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.